must find out what he's doing up there.
Father above, I give thee my thankful heart and my love for all that thou dost impart. For I know all that I have has come from thee. So here I am, falling upon my knees, with my hands folded in thanks of thee, as I feel my heart is full because of thee. Because of thee, my burdens are light. Because of thee, even the nights don't bother me. I feel thy arms surround me, filled with thy love. I am grateful because of thee.